The iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's most advanced flagship yet, pushing the boundaries of smartphone quality, performance, and intelligent functionality. With a blend of cutting-edge materials, industry-leading performance, and smart features, it redefines what a premium phone can offer in 2025. Build and display quality. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a stunning Grade 5 titanium frame, making it lighter yet stronger than its predecessors. It's paired with ceramic shield glass for maximum durability. The display is a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, offering a buttery-smooth 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, enhanced HDR, and incredible outdoor visibility with up to 3,000 nits peak brightness. Performance and power, powered by the ultra-efficient A19 Pro Bionic chip, built on a 2nm architecture, it delivers unmatched speed and energy efficiency. It excels in multitasking, gaming, and advanced AI tasks like real-time language translation and intelligent photo enhancement. Paired with iOS 19, it brings smarter suggestions, better background task handling, and seamless app switching. Camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro Max boasts a quad lens setup, including a 48MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, 5x periscope zoom, and a new AI-enhanced portrait lens. Apple's Photonic Engine 3 delivers vibrant low-light photos, cinematic video, and sharper details with improved optical zoom and stabilization. ProRAW and ProRes are supported natively, turning your phone into a pocket production studio. Battery and charging, a larger battery, and smarter power management give the iPhone 17 Pro Max an impressive up to 30 hours of use. It supports MagSafe 3, 40W fast wired charging, and 25W wireless charging, making recharging quicker than ever. New features. The iPhone 17 Pro Max includes under-displacement Face ID, allowing a more immersive display with a smaller front camera cutout. It also supports advanced satellite connectivity for emergency SOS and low-bandwidth messaging in remote areas. Apple has also introduced on-desk VAI for tasks like spam call detection, live voicemail summaries, and contextual Siri responses. Sustainability and privacy. Apple continues its green push with 100% recycled materials and carbon-neutral manufacturing, while also enhancing on-desk privacy protections for health, financial, and personal data. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a smartphone. It's a powerful, intelligent lifestyle tool designed for professionals, creatives, and tech enthusiasts who want the very best Apple has to offer.